Direct from their phenomenally successful Broadway engagement is the internationally acclaimed Beatles concert, Rain, a tribute to the Beatles.
Yesterday, all my troubles seem so far away.
As the Associated Press calls the next best thing to seeing the Beatles, Rain performs the full range of the Beatles' discography live on stage, including the most complex and challenging songs that the Beatles themselves recorded in the studio, but never performed for an audience. From the early hits to later classics, such as I Want to Hold Your Hand, Hard Day's Night, Sgt. Pepper's Lonely Hearts Club Band, Let It Be, Come Together, Hey Jude, and more.
Oh, I get by with a little help from my friends.
This adoring tribute will take you back to a time when all you needed was love and a little help from your friends. Rain, a tribute to the Beatles, now touring nationwide.